So next thing we're going to focus on is creating a quick Trello board or a Kanban board. So you can create a board, say board 1 for now, or I'll say curated board. So I'll create a new task now. So I'll just say task 1. Again, I can assign it to myself. I can set a due date, say 12th, and yeah, to do is fine. And I can set the priority. There you go. I can create another one. Let's say task 2. I'll set that in progress, assign it to myself, save, and by default this will be selected as board view anyways, but in case it isn't, you can set it like this, and there you go. You can easily move task around between things, change the statuses, open the task, and you can even change the views of this task. So for example, I'll say sidebar view, single column, double column. I personally prefer the sidebar view, so I'll set that. So yeah, so you can create Trello boards for your teammates easily, quite useful for tracking marketing, and you can create multiple sub collections or sub boards within it as well, so you can share it between your team members and teammates. Thank you.